I thought you guys might like to see what one of these mowers looks like when it self-implodes. There's the bottom gear. There's an upper gear. The bearings all went out in this shaft right here. See how it moves back and forth? And it self-imploded on the end of the bar, so thought I'd make a quick video and show you guys since we're getting ready to cut hay. Got to tear this bar all the way down. And we've got a new one over here. We're getting it ready to go. That's a 450 John Deere hydraulic sickle mower. Pretty neat little rig. Give $950 for it. I'd like to know where there's another one at if anybody knows. Yeah, message me or comment or something. I'd like to find me another one around here close. I've got the baler hooked up. I've got the Ford hooked up to the other sickle mower. Old 9-foot IH right there. By the way, if anybody's looking for a good tractor, that tractor's for sale. That's a Ford 2000. Anyway, getting ready to bale hay. There's the round baler hooked to the tractor. I got it out this morning before it started raining. Got everything ready. Look at that. Some shiny skid plates on the bottom of that mower. I cut the first hay the other day. That Alice Chalmers, that sucker did good with that mower. Did better than I thought it would. Anyway, thought maybe I'd make a quick video and kind of show y'all what's going on. And this tractor here, I'm getting ready. I'm going to hook it to the rake. We're going to rake hay with it, I guess. And I should be getting my, well, not positive 100% yet, but I should be getting my new tractor the 5th, I think. It's not brand new, but it's close enough for me. I don't want anything plastic. Anyway, I got to hook that little devil over there up. Fluff some hay because it got rained on. So anyway, like I said, if anybody's looking for a tractor, that Ford over there is for sale. Anyway, we got some rain again today. So anyway, comment and tell me if you like the videos or not.